Have you been looking for a custom-built home, abounding with privacy, with your own waterfront on a reservoir? My name is Matt with Premier Real Estate. Welcome to 22 Potter Road, Douglas, Mass. Again, we are here at 22 Potter Road, Douglas, Massachusetts. This home is truly one of one, and the property is equally the same, equally as stunning. It almost feels like it is out of a storybook, has that Walden Woods type feel. Maybe Thoreau wrote about this property. There's so much history here and just an absolutely exquisite property. We'll show you all about it a little bit later on in this tour. This is a custom built home in 2016, 3 beds, 2 bath, just under 2,000 square feet of living area. The inside is absolutely gorgeous. The fit, the finish, the hardwood flooring. We'll show you all about that as we move a little later on here. But first I want to set the scene a little bit. So off Manchog Street, we're turning onto Potter, and you go down that road and then we cross a bridge. On that bridge, you even have a little waterfall. So immediately as you're driving in here, your stress levels start to come down. You start to relax. Go down your long, relaxing driveway. By the time you pull into your house, you are stress-free, you're ready to hang with your family. Those work problems, those family dramas are all gone, and you are just in your oasis. Absolute privacy. We are on just under 11 acres, which is amazing. You really can't find that too often here, especially in the Blackstone Valley. And we are on the Mumford River Reservoir. So you have the best of both worlds between the house, the location, and being on the water. One really unique thing is the location in Douglas. So we're less than 10 minutes to the highway and have less than 5 minutes to grill on Main and some of the downtown picket fence in Douglas. So it's not like we're in the boonies of Maine where it takes an hour and a half to get to the grocery store. We are close to everything Douglas has to offer, all while enjoying this private oasis. So there's so much to see. Let's come on in. I cannot wait to show you around. Welcome home. Here we are on your front porch, just off the driveway, coming up your front steps. And I just wanted to stop and pause here. What an amazing spot. Looking out, you're seeing the reservoir, you have the peace and quiet. I can easily see the Adirondack chairs, maybe a little table, enjoying that cup of coffee or relaxing with a cold one or a glass of wine at the end of the day. This is an amazing spot. You'd find me out here all the time. But for now, let's keep on showing this off. Stepping in through your front door, you are going to be immediately amazed by the spacious open floor plan layout. It's absolutely breathtaking when you get here in person. The wide pine hardwood flooring also jumps off to you. It's welcoming, it's warm, it's super inviting. And here we are in your amazing living room. Tall ceilings, the loft over here. We'll get you up there in just a sec. But this is a wide open room, absolutely full of possibilities. You're gonna notice the fireplace mantle here with the stove. Easily could connect that. One cool piece of history, this top wood piece here is from one of the older properties, the original properties that was on this piece of land. So there's some cool history brought into the house with these owners for preserving the history and appreciating that. We have a large sofa set up here, and you could easily rearrange this because this, again, is wide open floor plan. I could see if you had the family gatherings, maybe you had a big old dining room table here, or those folding tables expanding, easily have a bunch of family friends in here, or maybe put your couch, TV, rearrange it as you need. But the possibilities in this room are endless. Again, it's so welcoming, just ready for the family to have fun and hang out, and it flows very nice into your kitchen. This is a well-appointed kitchen, plenty of cabinetry. I love the farmer's sink, the deep sink, the white, it just pops with the stainless steel appliances. You have the pantry fridge over here, and then you do have the double oven and gas cooktop above. So beautiful kitchen. If you needed some more cabinet space, you could easily add some uppers. There's still plenty of wall space if you needed that, but as it is right now, it's perfectly functional, beautiful kitchen. And off the kitchen is your nice eat-in kitchen if you needed. Like I said, you could have a dining room table. This is a large table as it sits, but it could easily be added, more space added for more family, more friends around the table enjoying. We'll get you outside to the back here in just a little bit, but first let's check out the 2 bedrooms and bath on your main level. Bedroom number 1 on your first floor is a very good size. Wide pine hardwood flooring continuing here, nice large closet, and just an absolutely cool view out into your yard, just enjoying the scenery. Bedroom number 2 also offers that beautiful hardwood flooring. Again, a nice size closet in this room. This time we are looking into your front yard, which has views of the water, which is pretty special. On your main level, you do have your first floor full bath. We have an updated vanity, nice tile flooring, and a large linen closet here for all those needs. Now join me coming upstairs to check out your large primary suite and amazing loft space. So here we are upstairs, and how cool is this? I feel like I'm in the mountains of Vermont or New Hampshire, rented an Airbnb cabin. You got the loft overlooking the stonework. Now, down I can hear the chatter of the family while they're cooking dinner. We're all on vacation, but you're not on vacation. This will be your home and your forever enjoyment up here. So this space is really cool, super flexible. It's large, good size in both directions, both length and width. So maybe you needed a home office, a home gym, extra sleeping space for family coming over. Really, whatever your family needs, this is a super cool flex space that could fit those needs just perfectly. And here we are in your large primary suite. You're gonna notice the space here is very nice. We do have a walk-in closet, some additional storage with the eaves if you needed that. Beautiful double window looking out to your front again, so we have the view of the reservoir. And then also in your primary suite, you do have your own private full bath. We got a nice shower in here, tile flooring, storage, linen closet as well, and then a double vanity in this bathroom. Now, when you get here in person, you're gonna wanna check out the basement as well. So you really have 2 points of access here. If you wanna come in your front door, or around here is your basement door. You might be parking closer to there. It's a full basement, your washer dryer's down there, an awesome additional storage space if you need, or options to maybe finish it off in the future for increasing that square footage of this wonderful home. But for now, let's check out the backyard, out this back beautiful rock patio, and then we'll show you more of the outside. So let's go. Here we are off your back patio through those doors right here, and immediately you'll hear nothing. Peace and quiet of this serene location. The property itself has such stunning features outside, many of which are the rock work, the stonework. I love a good New England stone wall. These are stone walls on steroids, right? It's not just a little 2x3, absolutely beautiful. I'm 6'4", this one's already overhead. There's more down in front that we'll show you. But just the peace, the quiet, the beauty of this property is absolutely amazing. You could easily have a grill out here, just hanging out, maybe at an outdoor patio set for eating dinner with the fam outside. One cool thing, they do have some kind of like additional driveways that drive up. So I'm walking on one, you could easily have a 4x4, an ATV. So one drives all the way around the house, and there's another coming up to my left over here. So cool feature of the property. Again, if you have a small truck, ATV, or some of those fun toys, you can do what you gotta do on your property here. Outside, you're also gonna love this driveway space and parking space. Honestly, you could have probably 30 plus cars easily up here. As you can see, it's wide, it's expansive. Easily park up here, park down there, grass, whatever you need. Behind me over here is where your leach field is for the septic. We do have a passing Title V in hand, so that is great as well. And then honestly, just take a minute to admire from this view, the rock work, the stone chimney. Is absolutely beautiful property, beautiful home. And then if you needed more storage, if you didn't have enough, we do have a garage here. So it's a large space, easily have the toys, the fun toys in there, right? Maybe the ATV, the dirt bike, the snowmobile, because you'll need them here for this property because we're under 11 acres of land. There's trails, there's options, there's ways to be outside in nature all year round at this house. Speaking of nature, let's come on along this way and just get a quick shot of your reservoir. So this is the Mumford River Reservoir. You could easily put in your kayak, your canoe, go fishing. I promise you the wildlife here is gonna be amazing. So if you like, birds, turkeys, deer, turtles, fish, you name it, the animals are probably here at this property and probably pretty easy to spot. But just some wonderful, wonderful place to play, to have fun, to garden. The possibilities are absolutely endless. Like I said, get the kayak, get the canoe out, just paddle around if you need to de-stress on the water. All sorts of options here at Potter Road. Again, we are here at 22 Potter Road in Douglas, Mass. This property has it all. It's a one of a kind that you just need to see and feel for yourself in person. We are 3-bed, 2-bath, just under 2,000 square feet of living area. We are set on just under 11 acres of land, all while being close to everything that Douglas has to offer. We are on the Mumford River Reservoir. Just so many amazing things going on here. So let's get you in here to see it, to feel it, because you really got to. It's one of those absolutely spectacular properties. My name is Matt with Premier Real Estate. Looking forward to getting you in here for your second showing.